Good evening, student. This is your math workbook of class 7. Now we are continue chapter 8. So student, in previous video we have done first question of worksheet 8.1. So now we will start question number 2, fill in the blanks. So student, you have to read statement carefully and fill the correct option. So first is in ratio A upon B. A is called the antecedent. A-N-T-C-E-D-A-N-T. Now second, in ratio A upon B, B is called the consequent. C-O-N-S-E-Q-U-E-N-T. Question number third, a ratio is the comparison of two or more quantities of the same kind using division. So comparison, C-O-M-P-A-R-I-S-O-N. Question number 4, a proportional is an equation that states that two ratios are equal. Proportional means A upon B. This is a proportional. So P-R-O-P-O-R-T-I-O-N. Question number 5, in a proportional, product of extreme is equal to product of means. Product of extreme means A, B, C, D. These are the four quantities. This is the product of extreme or this is the product of means. Question number 6, in a proportional A ratio B and B ratio C, the mean proportional between A and C equal to root AC. Question number 7, if x ratio 3 is equal to 14 ratio 21, then x is equal to 2, because by formula product of extreme x multiply 21 upon 3 multiply 14. So 3 multiply 14 upon 21. So 3 7 are 21 and 7 2 are 14. So x is equal to 2. So answer is 2. Next is same question number 8. 8 ratio 7 is equal to x ratio 42. Then x is equal to, we have to find the value of x. So students, you all know very well the product of extreme is equal to product of mean. So first we multiply the product of extreme. So 8 multiplied by 42 is equal to product of means 7x. Now we will divide the by 7. So x is equal to 8 multiplied by 42 upon 7. So x is equal to 8 into 42 upon x into 7, x upon 7. So 7 6 are 42. So 8 multiplied by 6, 8 6 are 48. 8 multiplied 6 is equal to 48. So 48 is answer. Now question number 9, a profit of 40% means 40 out of 100, because 40% is equal to, we can write 40% 40 upon 100. When we remove the percent sign, then we will divide by 100. Question number 10, profit percent is equal to profit upon CP. CP multiply 100. Question number 11, 60% of 60 is 36, because 60 upon 100 multiply 60. So we cancel by 10 times and 6 and 10 0. 6 is 36. 36 is answer. Question number 12, fractional representation of 16.45% is 13 upon 18. We convert into decimal to fraction and divide by 100. So after solving we got 13 upon 18. Question number 13, 0.35 as a percentage. 0.35 multiply 100%. So after multiply we got 35%. So it is 35%. Question number 14, if y percent is equal to 1500 is equal to 1050, then y is equal to 70. So student, solve y upon 100 multiply 1500 is equal to 1050. So we cancel 20 to 20 and divide by 15. 1050 upon 15. So after solving we get 35 times. So 35 is 70. 70 is answer. is 70. Now question number 15. In the school 65% are girls, then 35% are boys. Because total percentage is 100, then we subtract 65% from 100, so we got 35%. Question number 16. 2:3 is equal to 66.67%. Question number 17. 120% of 50 kilometers. So 120 upon 100 multiply by 50. So 50 divided by 2 times, and here 60. So 60 is answer. Question number 18. 8 upon 5 is equal to 160%. Because to find the percentage we multiply by 100. 8 upon 5 multiply 100 percentage. 5 20 times, and 8 multiply 20 is 160%. Now question number 19. In a class of 50 students, 8% were absent on one day. The number of students present on that day is 4. Because 8% of 50 means 8 upon 100 multiply 50. So 50 2 times 100, or 2 4s are 8. So 4 is answer. Now question number 20. 90 is 50% more than 60. So we can take the value of x. X is 50% more than 60. Now we can find this question. Question number 21. Mohini bought a cow for rupees 9,000 and sold it at the loss of 900. The selling price of the cost is 8100. So student, this is the bought, this is the CP and loss. So now we can find the loss percentage. Selling price of cow this. Because it is loss, so to find the SP is equal to CP minus loss. So 9,000 minus 900 is equal to 8,100. Question number 22. Devangi buy a chair for rupees 700 and sell it for rupees 750. So she earned a profit 50 upon 7% in a transaction. So 50 rupees is a profit. Now the total transaction percentage is 50 upon 7. Question number 23. Naren bought 120 orange at rupees 4 each. He sold 60% of mango at 5 rupees each and remaining at 3.5 rupees each. His profit is 10%. So student, you have to solve on this question, because 120 orange total cost 4. So 120 multiply 4 and 60% means 60% of 120, 72 orange multiplies 5, and the remaining orange multiply by 3.50. Now the add price of both oranges. So 10% cost. Question number 24. A fruit seller purchased 20 kg of apples at rupees 50 per kg. Out of these, 5% of the apple were found to be rotten. So 20 multiply 50, the total cost of apples. Now 5% is rotten, means kharab hai. So 5% of 20 kg means 1 kg is rotten. So the left apple is left 19 kg. If the sell the remaining apples at rupees 60 per kg, so 19 multiply 60, the profit is 14%. So now the left part solve yourself. Question number 25. If A is increased by 20%, it equal B. B is increased by 50%, it equals C. Then C percent of A is equal to C. So student, this is also the same type of questions. Let the A value is A, then 20% of X increase, then the next B 50%. So 50% increase by A equal to C. The 60% of A is equal to C. So try to solve this question. If you have any problem, you can ask me. We can solve this answer. So student, 8.1 is done. In next video we will start 8.2.